Okay, I wanted to do a little update. It's been a little while since we've done any work on the ceiling, but hopefully, I think the lighting through that garage door could be affecting things. Let me go over this way. We had talked about the skid lumber and the processing, and we did all the insulation, vapor barrier, and so on. So basically, this is how it came out. Looks pretty daggone good. Could it be better? Yes. Is it a garage? Obviously. With that being said, our heating and cooling guy here is here to finish up the extension pipes off this trunk. All right, the first pipe's going up. Right now they're using the cable adjusters to level the pipe, and to keep the pipe plumb, we basically set up one of these lasers, little level laser there on the ladder, and what that did was it shot a line up on the ceiling so that the trunks are coming out perfectly square, and obviously we'll put a level on it and level it. All right, looks like we're cutting the next trunk line. We got a 10-foot section up. We're cutting a 5-foot section. We'll get that cut, and it looks like this project's moving right along. All right, putting the final touches on. Level's cutting off the excess cables from the hangers. I'll do a little bit of a view here. These are actually called the runners. The big one in the back is called the trunk. And I would say job well done, Mr. Level. We are going to conclude this video. Like and subscribe.